Don't put obstacles in between your e-commerce business and success. If you want to make money online, go to where people are already shopping, and that's on Etsy. If you dream about running a successful online shop, if you want to get orders, be in demand, meet new customers, then this course is for you. My name is Brittany Bly, and I'm the founder of PopShop America. Over the last decade, I've worked with thousands of makers, online shops, startups, and cool creatives growing their business. I have a broad range of expertise with Etsy. I'm a local team captain. I've won 2 fellowships. I've worked with Etsy and American Express hosting pop-ups in Austin, Texas, Houston, and San Antonio. I also worked on and tested the Craft Party app as it was being built. In this course, Start and Scale Your Etsy, I'm going to share my expertise with you to show you how you can grow your Etsy shop. There are 35.8 million active buyers already on Etsy looking for cool, unique finds just like yours. 81% are repeat purchasers. 81%. And shoppers spent over $3.25 billion on the platform in 2017. This is where people go to shop, and you have got to reach them. So what will you learn in this course? In Start and Scale Your Etsy, we'll show you all of the steps from beginner to advanced. We'll start by showing you how to set up your shop the right way from the beginning. Next, we'll talk about how to take great product photography and how to write a killer product description that sells. We'll also talk about SEO and marketing. All of these are vital components to any Etsy shop. I want you to feel inspired, passionate about your business. I want you to experience success. So how do you sign up? Visit us online at popshopamerica.com right now to start your journey. Click the link in the description to find out more. You can do this, and I can't wait to help. See you soon and Start and Scale Your Etsy. And if you like this video, click like and subscribe to see more, and don't forget to ring the bell.